You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing names, more correct pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. Irish origin. Yes, I've got plenty of Irish names on this channel. Many get confused by them. Donovan is how to pronounce it in English. Donovan. The stress is on the first syllable and the do syllable. How to pronounce in English. Donovan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.